The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has named its School of Health Sciences after a renowned business mogul and elder statesman Alhaji Aminu Dantata. The building was unveiled on Thursday, 2nd of February 2023 by Aminu Dantata's son, Dr. Munzali Aminu Dantata, who represented him on the occasion. Earlier, the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, said the decision of the university to name the building after the elder statesman was in recognition of his selfless services and contributions to the growth of the Nigerian economy. Professor Gorzo, who described Alhaji Aminu Dantata as a great philanthropist par excellence, prayed to Almighty Allah to continue to give the strength and good health. Professor Gorzo, who described Alhaji Aminu Dantata as a great philanthropist par excellence, prayed to Almighty Allah to continue to give him the strength and good health to enable him continue to serve humanity. According to him, the elder statesman would continue to be cherished and remembered by many for his enormous contributions to the socio-economic development of Nigeria and West Africa and the sub-Saharan region. In his remarks shortly after unveiling the building, Dr. Munzali Aminu Dantata lauded Professor Gorzo and the entire management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria for the honor shown to his father. He expressed appreciation to the entire Dantata family for considering their father worthy of the honor and prayed to Almighty Allah to bless the university. Among the management staff who witnessed the unveiling of the edifice was the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Hamza Garba, and also present were members of the MAAUN Board of Trustees Hajia Dr. Gaji Fatima Dantata, Deputy Provost Sadaturimi University of Education Kombozo Dr. Kabir Gorzo, Director Linkages Dr. Bala Tukur, and Director Protocol Dr. Yunusa Umar, among others.